With that in the background, could you just sing us a few the lines of Hanuman Kriti or Hanuman Shlokam?
Will do. And it's also very apt to mention here that Hanumanji is an expert musician. Every text that talks about Hanumanji, they mention that he's an expert musician. The Ragam Todi, the original name is Hanumat Todi. So Hanumanji is, any musician, you have to, anything in life you have to follow at his feet, more so if you're a musician. Veera Hanumate Namo Namo Veera Hanumate Namo Namo Veera Hanumate Namo Namo Maruta Tanaya 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 Namo Namo Veera Hanumate Namo Namo Sarasiruga Vadana Sarasiruga Vadana Shri Ramachandra Charana 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 Krura Rakshasari Haranam Sarva Vidya Dana Nibuna Krura Rakshasari Harana Sarva Vidya Dana Nibuna Paramantra Vinashakarana Paramantra Vinashakarana Paramantra Vinashakarana Paramantra Vinashakarana Paramantra Vinashakarana Kavi Vinuda Guru Guha Smarana Veera Hanumate Namo Paramantra Vinashakarana Kavi Vinuda Guru Guha Smarana Veera Hanumate Namo Namo Maruta Tanaya Namo Namo Veera Hanumate Namo Namo